Here you are observing an experiment which shows you can get electricity using magnet. Instead of magnet, I have used here an electromagnet. First, you may observe here an electromagnet. I hope you are observing. This electromagnet is attracting this hammer and also this plier. Are you hearing sound? Here in this case you may observe this electromagnet attracts iron. You know this thing, magnet has property, this attract iron. Are you observing? Okay. Now this electromagnet, I have already mentioned this thing. Whenever we will bring this electromagnet in, I have taken instead of magnet near this copper coil. What things are you observing? Bulb is glowing. Okay. What are the reasons? Here, whenever we will bring an electromagnet near copper coil which is wrapped approx 800 times, then electricity will flow. Okay. For this purpose I have now I will bring this electromagnet. Here electricity will not flow, but whenever we will bring here, what things are you observing? Bulb is glowing. Now here you are observing AC current, and using this current I have taken an adapter, and through this adapter I have given current to this electromagnet. I have made an electromagnet. Okay. Now next thing, this is the discovery of Faraday's, and this is the discovery of Faraday, and you should know here, you should know this thing. A very important phenomenon was discovered in 1831 by Michael Faraday. A similar discovery in that very year was made independently by Joseph Henry. The phenomena is now the basis of production of all large-scale electricity. Had there been no Faraday, there would have no electricity. For this purpose, I have performed an activity, taken a hollow cylindrical pipe of iron and wound a large number of turns of well-insulated copper wire on it. Here in this case of cylindrical pipe, you should make a pipe of paper, anything which is except iron, because this electromagnet will attract iron. And now taken a strong magnet, here I have taken electromagnet and move it rapidly towards the center of the pipe. We find that the bulb glows. It glows only for a while and stops glowing as soon as the magnet is stopped. Electromagnetic induction. Now knowing about electromagnetic induction. The phenomena in which electric current is generated by a changing magnetic field is known as electromagnetic induction. The discovery and understanding of electromagnetic induction is based on a series of experiments out by Faraday and Henry. Their experimental observations can be summed up as follows. First, whenever there is a relative motion between a magnet and a coil that is part of an electric current, a current flows through the coil. The flow of current stops as soon as the magnet and the coil are at rest with respect to each other. The faster is the relative motion between the magnet and the coil, the more is the current that flows through the coil. The direction of current obtained by moving the magnet away from the coil is opposite to its direction when the magnet is moved towards the coil. The phenomena of electromagnetic induction forms the underlying principle of all modern day generators and transformers. Today's civilization owes its progress to a great extent to the discovery of this phenomena of electromagnetic induction. Here you are observing bulb is glowing. Whenever we will return this electromagnet, bulb will stop glowing, but whenever we will bring this will glow. Okay, this video is in the light, and now I am switch off the light. Now you may observe light is producing due to magnet. Here instead of magnet I have used an electromagnet. Okay, but this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for upcoming video. In case of any doubt, you may contact me. My phone number is 620-664-2996. Once again, my humble suggestion to you all, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science and technology video. Thank you. Have a nice day.